Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in a PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to make text more readable or adjust your document's layout to fit specific formatting requirements. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the Pro DC version, as this feature isn't available in the standard free Adobe Reader. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll have access to all the editing tools you need. Now navigate to Recent Files to locate the PDF document you want to edit. If your file isn't showing up in Recent Files, you can always click on Open and browse to wherever your document is stored. Once you've found it, click on the file to open it in Adobe Acrobat. The document will load in the main workspace, and you'll see various tools and options available in the interface. Next, look at the upper left toolbar and click on Edit. This is a crucial step because it activates the editing mode, which allows you to make changes to the text and other elements within your PDF. When you click Edit, you'll notice that text boxes become visible throughout your document, indicating areas where you can make modifications. Now click directly on the text you want to change the font size for. This will activate that specific text box and allow you to work with it. Once the text box is active, go ahead and highlight the text whose font size you want to adjust. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the text, or you can use keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+A to select all text within that box. With your text highlighted, direct your attention to the left panel. Here you'll find various formatting options, including font type, font size, and text alignment. Navigate to the font size option and you'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal different size options. You can either select a preset size from the list or manually type in a custom font size that suits your needs. The changes will apply instantly to your highlighted text, so you can see exactly how it looks. Finally, once you're satisfied with the font size adjustments you've made, click the Save button in the upper right corner of the screen. This ensures all your changes are permanently saved to the document. It's always a good idea to double-check your work before saving, as PDF edits can sometimes affect the overall layout of your document. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the font size in your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.